right? So, yeah, right. So there's a couple of different memories around that too. Chick-fil-A swears that it is what it is right now. It has the hyphens in it, right? And it's, sorry, car going by. And it's CHICK hyphen or dash alive. This planet has been here for millions of years and it's not conscious, but it is alive. Okay. It's not self-aware, but it is alive. Okay. And they evolve. Thank you, baby. My wife just popped in and she gave me a bunch of things there, some roses. You guys are not holding up your end of the bargain. Okay. So let me explain who I am. Okay. My name is Kelto. Leonard O'Neill is the body that I am in. The immortal spirit that is in this body, his name is Kelto, and I have come here from the 11th dimension. It's actually a density there because it's a light energy